Hello viewers, in today's lesson I'm coming to show you how you can download nodejs on your Windows 11 operating system. My name is Everything and this is Jack Tech YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for us. Let's get started. Alright, so a link to this website is at the description. So you can click on the link and you'll be redirected to this page. Okay, so on this page we have node installers, that is for Windows operating system. We have 86 and x64. So the x86 is the same as x32. If you are using x32-bit operating system, download the 86-bit. But if you are using 64-bit, just download the 64-bit. The 86 is the same as 32. Alright, so I am using 64-bit operating system, that is Windows operating system. So I am downloading the 64-bit. So now after you have downloaded the nodejs installer, open your downloads. So you can go to your start menu and type downloads, or press Windows key plus R. You see the run dialog. Type downloads. Yeah, so there is the nodejs installer here. Just double click on this installer. So this is the first screen. Click on next. So accept the license terms. Next. So you choose the directory where you want to install it. Yeah, so let's select the default installation folder. Okay, so here just forget about these features. Go to the next. So next, install. Alright, so now the node package or the node compiler, node installer is installing. So now the node installer is completed. So now after you have completed the installation, now let's confirm whether it has been installed successfully. So open your command prompt. So if you want to open your command prompt, go to the start menu, type cmd, or you can go to the run dialog, that is Windows key plus R, type cmd, and then this command node, node, and then dash version. So this is a command. Okay, so the version here is version 18. Alright, thank you. My name is Everything. This is Jack Tech YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for us. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.